When you're thinking about buying Strategic Marketer, there are a few things you need to know before you make that decision. This product promises to help you take your marketing campaigns to the next level, but before diving in, there are a few things you should consider that could save you time, money, and headaches down the road. Stick with me until the end, and I'll share some insights you won't find anywhere else. The first thing to understand is that Strategic Marketer is designed to streamline your marketing efforts with a level of automation and intelligence that's hard to match. Compared to its competitors like HubSpot or Marketo, Strategic Marketer brings a simplified user experience while still delivering powerful insights. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their campaigns without the steep learning curve other tools require. Next thing to keep in mind is pricing. A lot of marketing tools can get pretty expensive, especially when you start adding on different features or user licenses. Strategic Marketer offers a solid deal for what you get, and if you click the first link in the description, you can try it out for free with exclusive benefits that you won't get anywhere else. This is huge because it gives you a chance to test drive the software before committing any significant investment. So, if you're on the fence about the price, this is a no-brainer. The third thing is the data integration. When it comes to marketing tools, being able to pull in your data from multiple sources seamlessly is crucial. Strategic Marketer does a great job here, pulling in your CRM, analytics, and email marketing data all in one place. This is a big advantage over other platforms, which sometimes struggle with integration, leaving you to juggle between tools or use multiple third-party apps. Now, let's talk about the automation capabilities. Automation is a key factor in freeing up your time while still running effective campaigns. What sets Strategic Marketer apart from other platforms is the level of customization you can apply to your automated campaigns. You can set up highly specific workflows based on user behavior, which makes it more effective than some of its competitors that offer more rigid, template-driven automation. This allows for more personalized and engaging experiences for your audience. The fifth thing to consider is the reporting and analytics. With Strategic Marketer, you're not just getting a basic overview of your campaign performance, you're getting detailed insights that you can use to optimize in real time. Some competitors provide you with basic reports, but Strategic Marketer's reports are more in-depth, giving you actionable insights that can be applied instantly to improve your campaigns. The sixth thing to note is customer support. This is something you don't always hear about in reviews, but it's critical, especially when using advanced marketing tools. Strategic Marketer stands out by offering highly responsive customer support, with a team that knows the product inside and out. I've reached out a few times, and every time I've gotten detailed, helpful responses. Compare that to other tools, where support is often slow or unhelpful. Lastly, if you've been looking for a tool that allows you to scale your campaigns while still keeping things manageable, Strategic Marketer is definitely worth considering. It's built to scale with you, so as your business grows, it won't feel like you're outgrowing the software. That's something many other tools fail to do, leaving you having to switch platforms as your needs evolve. So, if you're ready to give Strategic Marketer a try, don't waste any more time. Click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial offer, along with exclusive benefits. Trust me, if you're serious about leveling up your marketing, this is a tool you won't want to miss out on.